Yo, welcome to On Track and Bitcoin leverage trading. Look at this. Look at this beauty. What's happening right here? There seems to me that we're going to massively collapse here. There's so many things that have happened. Like there's just so much more power to the downside now. I'm gonna jump in immediately, even though maybe I could come back to 849 or something like that. But I don't know. There's a lot of We're just gonna go to. By the way, we're demo trading, just so you guys know. A lot of people would scoff at it and be like, "Oh man, that's silly." I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna do what actually creates money over time, and what creates money is by putting in wise effort. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can get into this trade. The funding rate is about 100. I'll let you guys know in a second, once I'm in the trade, why I got in so hastily on this. Because I'm not FOMOing, okay? I promise, I promise. It might be looking as FOMO, but I don't think it's FOMO. Wait. 808, it didn't accept it. Shimon. Let's see what's going on. Will we get accepted? Boom, we got accepted. Fantastic. So yesterday was a very interesting day. The last part of the day was not so good. If you notice all of my trades, okay, this was yesterday. So it started with 9 cents. Great. Down 10 cents. So we're -1. Here +2. Nothing. Here is +15, right? So we're at +15 cents. Fantastic. Let's go. Okay, I'm done. And then no, right? After I was supposed to be done, which is 7 p.m., I looked at the time. 7 p.m., 7:12. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's collapsing. It's going to go down. So I put in a short. It didn't work out, okay? And I stayed in the trade for 2 flippin' hours. 2 hours and 16 minutes to be exact. Why? Why? So I'm learning not to get too quickly into a trade like that. You could say that I got too quickly into this trade right here, and I got to learn a few lessons. But at the same time, I'm like, this looks too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Okay, just look at this beautiful trade here, because it needed to collapse. And it's already done that. So, it's gonna go down to 600 something here. I could even, it's probably gonna go all the way down here, but we're gonna at least go down to 133. It's probably gonna go further though. But that would be a $700 move, which could be possible only because of the funding rate being at 100. That's the only reason why this could potentially actually work. And it also had a quick wave up to the upside and collapsed right after that. I mean, 368. I guess it could go up here. And it probably will at some point go up there. But if you look at the levels right now, we're extremely close to a massive collapse below 620. And once it gets below 620, foam, it's going to search for all of those babies and get down below 850. Dang. It's gonna go below 850 as well? Whoo, shoot. And then it's probably gonna shoot up from there. That might be intense. I personally would have loved to do a double here. A double. Did it go? Yeah. This is a really good opportunity trade. So, I don't usually like doing this, but when it's like this, I mean, gosh dang, bro. You need to be able to double your stake. So I'm doubling my stake. Just had to take the cat out of the room. So, just so you guys know, this is not my main business. I'm actually a coach, a business coach, consistency coach. Some people could call me a life coach, but I don't really like that term because that's very broad and general, and that's not really what I do. Although I help people's lives completely get changed, and everything in general. And I do coaching a little bit differently. Yes, I do take on one-on-one calls at times, but mostly I do text coaching. So I make things extremely affordable for people, hold them accountable, and create opportunities for them, and measure and track their habits, their sleep, their basically everything, so that they can massively crush it and succeed in life. So that's what I do. And on the side, I just love doing, Bitcoin trading. And let's see. Yeah, no, there's no way that this one can't go down. But then again, if everyone says that it's gonna go down, then sometimes it doesn't, right? But if you look, that it's very difficult. There's not a lot of momentum going to the upside again here, although it's really, really, really trying to get above 67.30. It is possible that it's going to go all the way up there just to get more people tricked into believing we're going to go up. But yeah, so right now we're on minus 14, minus 18 cents. So I guess it wasn't the best trade. If you noticed, I was a little bit rushed. Maybe I should have gone in, investigated a little bit more, and seen what's happening, what's the potential, what's going on. And you could also see on this one, on the stochastic RSI, that the momentum really, really dropped down, and now the momentum is beginning to pick up. That's not a good sign for our trade. But at the same time, there's going to be some massive heavy rejection here. So I'm very intrigued to see what's going to happen on this one. But if you look at the 4-hour time frame, forgive these lines. I should probably get rid of them, to be honest. How about we get rid of them? Let's just get rid of all lines. Who cares? I don't need them. If you look at this candle right here, baby, that is an indecision candle. It's a reversal candle. It's at the top of rallies. This was a massive rally. Or at the bottom of rallies. Basically showing you that we're likely to go up from here on this one. Right? It's a reversal candle. And up there, after a strong rally, this is also a reversal candle. And it immediately after it happened, it started crashing down. Do you see that? Immediately. So it's a very strong candle. Doesn't mean that we can't be wrong. We frequently are, right? But what's going to happen? Also is a reversal candle on the daily as well. And on the 2 monthly, there is some really intense collapse as well. Here we've had half of the day. There's not a lot of trading going on. So if there's not a lot of action, then it's probably going to go more so to the downside, in my opinion. I don't know. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking at least down to here, 65,300. Should we just follow this all the way down to 65,300 or 400, 350? Like, I think a lot of people are having stop losses here. 65,500. Let's take a look. 65,500. Quite a lot. 65,200 is the ultimate. After that, there's not much. 65,200. Okay, what else? That's Bybit. Let's look at Binance. Woo! Oh, shoot. Dang, bro. At 920? It might have to go and do something about that soon. Is it going to go up first? Interesting. It might take out this one first. But who knows? Maybe it's going to go down and take out 500 and then jump back up. I don't think he's going to. Maybe he's going to do it right away. It's not going to allow that. Bro, $8 million? You see that? Almost $8 million in liquidation. I sometimes wonder, is it the trade that's $8 million? Or is it how much money is going to go into the liquidation? Like, meaning, well, I guess that's almost pretty much the same thing, isn't it? Not really, though. Not really. Man, if he manages to avoid this one, then that's a fire trade on that guy's side. Should we just take out 8? Maybe it just needs to go below 703 and then it'll go back up. You don't get away with that stuff. You don't get away with that stuff. This guy's going to be taken out. Of course he's going to be taken out. 935. I'm just going to get out at 658. Although 658 is not really a big number, but I think it wants to trick people with that one. So I'm just going to get in at 665. And what's going to happen right after that, this is my opinion, I'm not sure, who knows, whatever. What's probably going to happen is that it's going to go back up and take out 67K again. Just what happens. Maybe I'll just make a trade ready for that. 665, 66, 665. I'm very curious about this guy. I mean, it might not just be one person, but still. 935. Yeah, it's going to go back up there. So remember, my trade is at 665. Maybe it should be at 670. No, 665 is fine. We're just waiting for the moment. We're waiting for the moment. Is it gonna happen? It's a little bit far, maybe. I think 665. It should hit it. Wondering if he's still in. Yup. This one is the one that's gonna rescue people. There's gonna be a lot of people who buy it up here, 550, 526, 600, whatever. Oh, no, there's a lot of people buying it up here. Dang. Bro, we should probably get out. I don't mind. I don't need it. I'll just get my... It didn't go all the way. Dang. Alright, I was wrong about this one. It came all the way down to 717. Alright, well, let's take it out. Thought it was going to make it. It didn't make it. It's still right now working to get above it. But it's still showing quite a lot of weakness. So I'm wondering, maybe I shouldn't even place my order at 665. Because it just jumped back up at 718. Maybe I should take it all the way down further. $500? Let's get... Maybe it's just gonna go down there and then go up. Interesting. I think it's dangerous though. It's really dangerous. The reason why this is dangerous is because of that one at 930. But since I'm... Oh, by the way, what is our goal today? We just need, what, 50 cents? 50 cents is 5% of $10. We shouldn't still have $10, but we have $10. We'll just pretend like we still have $10. Right now, we're at 13 cents. We got double the position size. It's not what I should be doing, but I can really see this going down to 665. I guess I was wrong. I mean, if it collapses now, bro. No, it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up to 950. So let's get out of this trade right now. I'm even gonna get in a trade if I can. Oh, is it gonna work? That thing's definitely gonna go up. But it might go below 778 first. It's not going up as fast as people would expect it to. It's still gonna go up though. It's still gonna take out this one, unless he's gone. No, he's not gone. Bro, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. So maybe 819? I really don't like putting it 819. I mean, it's better than just... Oh my gosh. Do you think he's gonna go all the way up there? It could, because it's a 30-minute one. I didn't even see that one. Or it's gonna go down to 358. Dang. That's a good question. So I'm canceling all my orders because, I mean, it's going to go up for sure and take out this one, but it's just not a lot of force. I don't know why this person did this in the first place. This was a very emotional trade. It's like going into armed battle by yourself to be crushed. it's like, bro, are you sure you wanted to do that? You know. Seems to have been a really, really interestingly but kind of bad trade. It needs to confirm after those 11 minutes for it to go all the way down there. And even then, it wouldn't be like that much of a collapse. Just a 66,410. If it confirms out there. Is it likely that it'll confirm below there? Maybe it's just going to wait another 10 minutes and then just boom. Completely crush it to the other side. Dang. Doesn't make any sense that it would go down all the way right now. I don't know if I've seen this before. For it to go down now, it's really, really strange. But that means that there must have been a lot of people putting stop losses there at 66,700. But I don't see them anywhere. Guess. No, it's gonna go up. It's non acceptable. It's gonna go up. But now that we see what's going on, it's not gonna go up very long. It just needs to take out the first one, get up to this one, and then get kicked down again. Come on, just finish the job. So today on my YouTube channel, I promoted a new video about the future of On Track. It's actually a really great video. You guys can go and check it out if you want on Men of High Value. It's basically explaining that we're going to change the education system. Now, there's a lot of people going out of their way to try and change the education system because everyone knows that it's completely and utterly outdated and you can make more money making an online business these days than trying to get a job after college. But there's no one that's built really good software around schooling. Like, other than school, right? I mean, they're trying to replace the education system. But I personally don't like school. I mean, it works because it's communities, and that's, in many ways going to be the future. But I want a software where entrepreneurs automatically are put together with workers. So whenever people want a job, they join On Track. They're not going to join school to get a job. Like, school will be more like, well, I'm interested in this, so I'm going to join a group. Like, and also there's no money, like, they're not paying any money unless they're part of a paid community. And it's very difficult to get people to be paid part of a paid community if a lot of it is free. Like, does that make sense? But if you get a 30-day free trial on Men of High Value, just imagine you got a 30-day free trial on school and you liked it. And then you as a member have to pay $99 a month to stay on there. Now, see, now you're getting really committed people on the platform. I have to admit, though, they've done a really good job. I know if Hamza makes freaking $400,000 simply from having a community on there. That's just insane because he has 100,000 and 130,000 dudes that have joined his free community, and it's not free. It's $1. So he just got $1 for it, which is insane. Like, could you imagine, like, if you produce tons of value there, and he suddenly just charged $10 instead? I mean, it's $1 million a month just for having a freaking paid community. He's done an amazing job, though, with his YouTube channel. He's put in a lot of work and learned a lot of things. So, hats out to Hamza for what he's put together. All right. We're here right now. I'm looking at this and I'm like, bro, I want to get out of this trade. I'm okay with getting out because I know it's going to go above at a certain point. So I'm going to get in at 842 if it'll let me. And we're going to participate up. Because right now it wants to kind of show that, oh yeah, we're going to go down. Of course we're going to go down. Bruh. It's not going to happen. So we did lose 9 cents on that trade. It's possible that I lose on this one as well. Very possible. I mean, did he disappear? No, he didn't disappear. It has to happen. We're going up to 944. Well, now you can make fun of me because now I could have participated in this trade and I got out and then I got into a new trade. Fortunately, it's only with 0.001 and I scaled it down from 2. But I mean, gosh dang, bro. Like, what's going on here? We're not going to take out that dude at 934 and 920? Bro, come on. Is it too many people at 67,000? Let's see. It actually went down to 778. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. We had that the whole entire time. Is there too much at 67,000? I have to admit, there was quite a lot. There was quite a lot. So maybe we're not quite wise about that. What's gonna happen? Is it just gonna completely drop out of free fall and I should have participated down to 668, 65? Oh my gosh. Was I wrong again? I should just get out? Dang, bro. This don't make any sense. This one should have been taken out. Maybe they just need more people to go down. That means that they're really, really, really trying to get up. When this happens, it usually is because that they can see that, oh, look at this. There's a really nice one here at 950. Let's trick everyone as if we're gonna go down. Or even better, leave that, take out all the ones below, and then go back up. That's an evil scheme right there. That is an evil scheme right there. Oh, shoot. They're doing it. If that's the case, I'm not going to get out. Because it's not going to go down to freaking 66,000. Or at least I don't think so. I mean, it might, right? Should we get out now again at a small loss? Whew. Nah, it's gonna go up. I know it's gonna take out this one. It's not gonna allow this one to make millions of dollars in one little stupid trade. But then again, if these are saying, yeah, we're gonna just go up here and then we're gonna sell, that's a good point. I'm gonna put another one. Let's say 65. I think it's still gonna go down there. I should have just stuck to my word. Oof. Dang. Is it gonna be shot down again? It is problem. There's a problem here, and the problem is that it's weekend. So during the weekend, there are some guys that can come in and they can manipulate the markets if they've got a lot of money. This guy might really, really want to go down there and try to protect that 930 liquidation. But I don't think he can do that. I think we're going to go up to 67,000. Okay, I'm guilty of something right now. I have not done the 2 minute clock at all. And so far, you've seen the results of that. I've basically lost 10 cents so far. Currently, right now, I'm losing another 10 cents or more. Oof. Oh, it's going down. 660, 670. Is it going to go to 665? It went to 671. What's going to happen? Ooh, the intrigue, bro. Oh, 666. Dang, did I just... Here it comes. Here it is. 665. Man, it actually went down where I thought it would go. And a little bit further, too. And it's continued to show weakness. I'm intrigued. What? I gotta admit it. I didn't play my cards right, or did I? Let's look at the 5 minute chart. I was almost back in plus. It is still breaking down though. But this might be our clue to go back up. If it goes down now, I'm like, oh shoot. I really don't think it's gonna do that though. There you go. That thing's gonna jump up to 67,000. Or at least to take out the 940 or whatever it is on Binance. 950. Is it actually going to go up though? There's no reason why it shouldn't go all the way up to 950. I was right on my first initial thinking. Should you always trust your first instinct, first gut? I don't know. Maybe not. I haven't done any of my journaling on the trades, why I'm picking these specific trades. I should have done that. I'm not using my 2-minute rule here, which I should be. Right now, I'm like barely staying in plus. More and more people are trying to sell though, so that tells you something. It is showing weakness, I have to admit. But this is also a wedge. Like, you see this, right? And you know wedges, they break up. But this one is probably going to come down to 713 though. So I think I should just get out. It's really annoying. No, I'm just going to keep it in. I'm just going to keep it in. Usually what happens with wedges is that they go up and then they get rejected and then they come back down to the middle. It's just been my observation. This is probably going to be true here as well, simply because there's a support here and there are people that are doing 100x leverage and this is their stop loss. And so that's probably what's going to happen. Just kind of wanted to get out. Oh. Well, I got out, but with a very bad trade. Oh, it's annoying. I only got 1 cent in. How can I only get 1 cent from that? The reason why I got only 1 cent is because I got a market order. Market orders absolutely suck. I caused the market order on myself. It is what it is. If it does go down to 710 at this point though, like, I'm gonna get back in. I'm noticing a lot of emotionality going on here, unfortunately. So we're down -8. I'm also having a presentation as well today that I got to prepare for, which is on exercise. So I'm writing down here. Exercise causes hope hormones. Bet you didn't know that. It helps your self-image, so you get early wins. So crucial to get early wins. What I mean by early wins is that you are, like, most of the time in business, you're losing. Like, every day you're losing. It's just failure, 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 failure. And so if you have just one thing that you can win at, which is also a failure, by the way, when you're at the gym, like, you're not feeling like you're doing very well. Like you're literally resistance, 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 and then you're losing, right? Well, guess what? That which we're doing there actually helps you for the rest of the day. Because man, I actually did it. Like I crushed it. And that's gonna change everything. Hope hormones, self-image, early wins. And disconnect from your business. Very important that you have something that disconnects you from your business throughout your day, whether that's trading, whether that's any other thing that you might be doing. I mean, why are we not participating up? It's a little bit annoying because it was supposed to go down here to 710, which it didn't. And I got out on a market order. Talk about non-emotional trading, huh? Sheesh. See, I was right twice, and I'm not even participating on any of it. Like, what's up with that? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Oh, wow. Isn't that great? This one. It is what it is. Let's see here. I'm gonna go and do something else for a second. Interesting. So anyway, we'll get back to the trading. You guys are like, wait, what's this guy doing? Oh my gosh. I guess it was a losing battle today as well. Did it go above? 914. 914. How's it looking? It hasn't been taken out yet. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Yeah, you can still see this. It's happening, brethren. There goes. It's been taken out. It is gone. Now, question is it going to fall back down? I personally say aye, but I think it's going to come up here first. So we're going to put in a trade right there. Might not even go. Should we go into trade now? It's a little bit late. No, you know what? We're not going to go into trade right now. It is what it is. Today's trading was minus 8 cents. I don't mind. I'm learning a lot from doing these sessions, so I'm just going to keep on doing them. And hope you guys are enjoying, and I'll see you guys in the next one.